Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Ranga Chat, the chance where I get to sit down and talk to a Ranga. Today's Ranga is...
That's what Dad's like.
Tell me some stories. What's been happening in your world?
Well, I've made some toffee and toffee apple. I mean toffee strawberry.
Did you just burp in the middle of that? Who made toffee apples?
No, it's not toffee apples, they're toffee strawberries and toffee.
I'm sorry, I'll just leave.
And the toffee takes all day to make it go soft.
Have you ever had a toffee apple though? The thing that's covered in the...
No, but I've had a toffee strawberry.
And so what? It's a strawberry with toffee around it?
Yeah. Yeah!
What was on Thursday and you called me and why we bought these presents?
It was your birthday.
It was my birthday, the most important day of the year! And what'd you get me?
I got you a basketball game.
So let's play one. Do you like basketball?
Yeah.
Does Daddy watch it at home all the time?
Well, you watch it sometimes and we play it sometimes.
Okay, and remember Daddy had a favourite team. It's because it's not on at the moment, that's why. But Daddy had a favourite team. Do you remember what they are?
Houston Rockets.
Let's play this game.
Yeah, let's play Duncan.
Okay, we've got ourselves a ball game. Old school, like your carnival kind of thing. You put a ball in and you flick it, and if it goes in the hoop, you get certain points down the bottom, as you can see. 3 points for the back ones, 2 points for the furthest one closest. Last week's episode, we had a mishap with sultanas, that the loser had to eat sultanas, and you didn't like that at all, did you?
No.
So we've got pretty much a universal currency that we've decided to adopt, and which we adopt at home. Nuggets. Oh! That's paper, scissors, rock, scissors.
Paper, scissors, rock.
Paper, scissors, rock.
You go first.
No, you go first.
No, you, because I cut you.
Yeah, so you go first. Which means you get to get a nugget first, silly duffer. Oh, none. Oh.
You.
Oh! 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 So Daddy's got to beat 3.
I heard you get one.
Bad start. Oh, really bad start. No! Ah! I didn't get it in this one. Yes! Tiebreaker again! No, good game. Good game.
What's the nugget?
Okay. One for... What was it?
I want to.
Alright, your game. Oh, she's got 2 points straight up. Ooh. Oh, she's got 6. Double 3 pointer. Oh, no! Oh, no! She's got triple! Oh! How many's that?
Bum, 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 bum,
Oh!
bum.
Oh! Did a dunny roll!
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, I've lost.
I get nugget.
You get a nugget. Bring him up.
I get nugget, you don't.
Little brat.
My girl. Bam, 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 bam.
You're so happy because you've been winning.
Yes. And
If Dad, the other week though, when you were losing, you were crying like a little baby. You wanted to wager that. Oh, that's counted. Oh! Oh! How does she do it every time? Alright, the strategy. It's a tiebreaker. If I get one more, Daddy gets a nugget and you don't. Yeah! Woo! 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 Are you crying? Baby, you can't cry every time you lose, you silly duffer. You just had one without me. I didn't get the one last time. Oh, I'm getting a nugget. Oh, I'm getting a nugget. Oh, I'm getting a nugget. Go. Oh, straight out of the gate. Oh, she's on 6. She's determined to get that nugget. Oh, so you're on 6. This is the last shot.
I got a nugget!
I don't know. What if I beat you?
Oh, but I get a nugget.
Oh, straight out of the gate. It's going to be a good game. Oh, it's a tiebreaker. No, if I get another one, I get another one. If you lose, it's okay if you lose.
But then I'll get money.
No, you didn't. You've had nuggets, 3 nuggets already. Oh, I've got to miss these too. Oh, if I get this in, I get a nugget. Yes! I get another nugget! You want to see my nugget? We've got a sore losing problem, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't do that!
Oh.
Bye, guy. I really want to take that phone, Ranga.
Oh, how do you know how to go cross-eyed?
Come help me.
How?
So you just roll your eyes in.
Ready? Did I do it?
My head. So you do this.
Oh, okay.
No, you did that.
Good.